The visual excitement of this car starts from the rear. If you look at the back, that whole Mercedes AMG sport spec, you know, top rear spoiler, the diffuser, the rear exhaust, that whole ensemble at the back of the car is just so intimidating. You know, if you follow this car and you see this and you're like, oh, I gotta hold back, you know, I don't think I can chase down this car. 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds. This is the AMG Edition 1 A35 hatchback, and it's got just bang on power delivery. Look at that. I'm not even accelerating to the max, I'm just tapping the pedal as we go along. This is what you want on a daily drive. This is the kind of excitement you want to make your morning drive to work. All that so much entertaining, all that entertaining that you just want to get to work. Everybody else is driving a boring car. They don't have a smile on their face. I've got this huge smile on my face because I'm driving this AMG 35 Edition 1. Let's be clear. This is not a car for the faint-hearted. You must know what you're doing. You must be prepared to enjoy this car to the max. And all this, I'm still not in sports mode, which is actually dynamic mode for Mercedes. Now I'm in sports mode. I can't wait for Edition 2 and 3 to come along, because if this is what Edition 1 is providing in terms of driver excitement, Edition 2, Edition 3 is going to be whoa, in your face excitement. Short burst of speed. So now it's 30,000 ringgit more expensive than its sedan sibling. So a lot of Mercedes-Benz customers who walk into a showroom about to buy this car, they'll probably take it for a test drive, and then they'll come back and say, same performance figures as the sedan, same engine, same interior, except you got a boot at the back. So why am I paying 30,000 ringgit more? Well, with the hatchback, you get that nice little spoiler system at the back, the diffuser. Then you get these awesome looking alloy wheels, which I think, you know, they just stand out. They just stand out. And maybe the fact that it's a hatchback, it costs a little bit more. But 30,000 ringgit seems like not a lot of money for the average Mercedes-Benz customer anyway. But they will still ask, why am I paying that extra money? To me, if you don't need the boot space, pay the extra 30,000 and get this car. Few features I like about the Mercedes-Benz. One of it, which is the power seat. The adjustment is right here on the door. It's not on the seat at the bottom here. So it's so easy to use, so easy to see. It makes life a lot easier for the driver. Second thing, look at how chunky this, I would say, race seat is, and yet it doesn't take up a lot of space and gives the rear passenger quite decent amount of room. So, you know, Mercedes has thought about all this when they put a car together, especially a hot hatchback like this. You still want to give enough room for people to use the car as a daily driver with passengers and, you know, luggage and whatever else you need to carry. Just tap the accelerator and it just lunges forward. Very responsive engine. Nice 7-speed gearbox. I keep doing this, but the gearbox is not here. The gear shifter is here. This is one feature of new Mercedes-Benz vehicles that I'm not totally taken. You know, having a gear shifter here, somehow or other just doesn't do it for me. I want to have my gear shifter here. But anyway, Mercedes-Benz owners are not complaining. It's just me who can't afford a Mercedes-Benz. Feathering the throttle. I'm not even slamming it. That's how responsive this AMG tuned engine is. And that's braking power when you need it.